Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new, welcome. I'm Sandy. I'm happy you are here. So today's project, I am going to be decorating up this fun little Rolodex card. So these are vintage, but you can just buy these at Staples if you can't find any, at the thrift store or any estate sales or anything. And I'm going to be doing a fun little 1950s / 60s theme collage on these cards. So let's get started. So the first one, first step that I did is I had this fun little road trip adventure explore stamp. So I stamped that on here, and then I also have these fun retro car stickers. So I wanted to use these retro car stickers, and then I have some map page, and I thought it would be fun to put some map page on here since we have a car and we're going on a road trip, and then just some fun little decorative paper that corresponds. It's got a little bit of reddish pink to go along with the car. And then I have these cool tickets. I got these tickets on Temu, so if you're interested in the link for these, I can link that down below. And so I was just going to do kind of a little collage, maybe something like this, and then have the car on here. And yeah, I just thought that would be kind of fun. So let's get going. I want to kind of glue these down. And then I also have this cool little, it's a brad. It's a little decorative brad, and I thought that would be fun to put on there. Let me grab my little book that I used to glue. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm having a really good day. My daughter comes home tomorrow, so I'm super excited about that. Well, by the time this video goes up, she will already have been here. So, but just so you know, I'm filming this the day before she gets here. But I'm just going to put some glue on the Rolodex card, and that kind of makes it easier. And then I'm going to lay this down, and then I'll just trim it. I want to make sure I'm not putting it upside down. And then I'm just kind of putting it, and I will trim out where I covered up this hole right here, so I'll trim that out. And then I'm going to put this down here. I think these reds, kind of reds and light pinks go good with my red car. That right there. And if I have to add a little more glue after I trim it, I can come back and do that. So let me trim this up. But yeah, I'm excited, and she gets in. We're starting to kind of plan out what we're gonna do while she's here. Of course, she'll see her two grandmothers. And then definitely we'll see her sister and her husband and their 3 kids. So she'll get to meet Baby Rose. She hasn't met Baby Rose yet, because Baby Rose was born in March. For those of y'all are new, my daughter that lives here is married, and her husband have 3 little girls, and I love them so much. It's so fun being a grandma. And I am Gigi. So before Mary, who's the oldest, was born, my daughter was asking, what do you want to be called? And I don't know why I picked Gigi. I thought it sounded, I guess, young. I didn't want an old sounding name. And then we're gonna go there's some cool places in Louisville to do some shopping, and so we'll probably do that one day. And I think I'm gonna tear this ticket a little bit. It's a little bit long, so, and I think I'm gonna tear this side. to put the ticket there, and then I think I'll put the car right there. And y'all will have to let me know how the lighting is tonight. A lot of times I'll film during the day, so let me know if the lighting's okay or if it's too dark. But I love how quickly these come together. And let me show you all the other ones that I've made. They're super cute. And then I want to poke a hole to put this little Brad in. And I'm just going to use this to poke my hole. And put that through there. And I'm trying to think where I bought these. I think I might have got these on Temu as well. I think. These little Brads. Yeah. So yeah, if there's anything you're interested in, just let me know. I'm happy to share the links. Alright, see? Look how cute that is. So let me show you the other ones. So we had some green cars and some yellow cars and pink cars. Another green one, yellow, and there's a blue one. Let's see if y'all can see them okay. I think you can see them. Y'all, I have adjusted my desk to where I'm standing more, and I love it, but it's harder for me to see my camera. It's too tall. I'm too short. And then we have another pink one here. And then we have some light blue ones, which I think are so fun too. So let me know what y'all think, if y'all have a favorite of any of the cars. Now the car stickers, I actually got them at Hobby Lobby, and they were 40% off, so that was a pretty good deal. But I love how my theme's coming together for my patrons. I do have one spot left in my bluegrass tier, and then I also have my it's, I'm trying to think, the goldenrod tier will also get one of these, and then my goldenrod tier will also get one of these. So that's the $8 tier. But then my $15 tier, the cardinal tier, they'll get a whole lot more stuff with these items that I'm making. But I love how this theme is coming together. It's so super fun. So just a fun, super quick project, but I wanted to do a quick little tutorial for you all. Just a fun way to use these Rolodex cards. All right, you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.